Hey guys, my name's Daniel. I'm a photographer based in Shrewsbury in the UK. Today I thought we'd talk about the Fujifilm X-E2. Now, I only got this a couple of months ago, and since I've been stuck at home under quarantine, I thought it might be a good idea to talk about it as I've had a bit of time to play around with it. So, this little gem came out in 2013. It's only got a 16.3 megapixel sensor, and it has the X-Trans CMOS 2 sensor, so it's not brand new at all. And I just basically wanted to tell you guys how great I thought this little camera was. I mean, I played around with this the other day, took some photos. Bearing in mind, I always shoot in RAW, but for some reason with this camera, I just fancy playing around with the JPEG files, and I just absolutely loved the black and white images that I got from this camera. Now, back when this came out, the update that it had on it, you could only transfer images from the camera to your phone and just view them and import them. But now, I mean, I updated this yesterday, and now it has the option for live viewing through your smartphone device, which is absolutely insane considering you can get this now for just under £200. I mean, I think it's great for a starter or an intermediate. Myself, I'm going to continue using this. I mean, my main camera is what I'm recording on now, which is the Fuji X-T30. Now, I love this camera to pieces. I shoot RAW on it all the time. I couldn't think of using any other camera at the moment. But this just makes me want to pick it up and just take photos with it. Not thinking about the specs, not thinking about how bulky it is, how rigid it is. I just love the images that comes out of this. I mean, I'm going to show you some of the images now, and as you can see, the images that you get from this are still up to scratch with today. Whack a 35mm 1.4 on this camera and the images are just insane. I love this. I'm going to continue using it. Please let me know what you think. Comment down below if you've got one or you're thinking of buying one, and if you can think of anything that I can do to improve any future videos or something that you want to see in my videos. Please click the like button, subscribe, and just pop a comment down below for me. Cool, right. See you guys later. Bye.